If you need to reset your password for your Mojang account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the Mojang website. Go to the official Mojang website by entering the URL in your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the password recovery page, enter the email address associated with your Mojang account. Make sure it is spelled correctly to ensure you receive the reset email. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Mojang. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Mojang account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Mojang support for further assistance.